I'm here, as Graham said, my name is John Rochford. I'm from the Biology Teaching Centre. I'm here to talk very, very briefly to you about biology and to welcome you to biology in Trinity College. Tell you a little bit about it. I'm not going to do a hard sell because I know a lot of you have come here with the intention of graduating as life scientists, graduating as biologists. I know equally well some of you have come here with no intention of darkening the doorstep of the biology departments at all. And if you've made that decision, well and good. But I just want to say a little bit about biology, a little bit about what's involved, because it is one of our stellar areas of research and teaching in Trinity College. We've got some of the world's best in molecular and evolutionary biology working in biology in Trinity, and they will be involved in teaching you as freshman students. It's a very, very broad discipline, a very broad subject area. And not all of the biologists in Trinity are white-coated boffins who work away in labs. It's a very broad discipline, a very broad subject, and some of them spend very little of their time in the labs. And for those among you who have hankerings after David Attenborough and Indiana Jones, there are plenty of opportunities to get out down and dirty in the field while carrying out biological research. I said it's one of our stellar areas, but actually we don't have a biology discipline. We don't have a biology school in Trinity College. We have actually a number of schools, a handful of schools that are involved in the teaching of biology. And they come together for the first 2 years through the Biology Teaching Centre to give you a coordinated course in biology so that you can get a feel, you can get an inkling of all of the areas that are concerned. Currently, of that huge list that Graham showed you of options that are available to you as honours students, as sophomore students in science, currently 11 of those degree programs are run by the various biology disciplines and schools, and I have just summarised them there. Basically everything except geography, geology, chemistry, physics, and physics with astrophysics. They're all biology disciplines, and they're all there. So really, amongst the biologies, there's something to suit almost everybody who has any interest in the living world whatsoever. We're talking about TR071 general science here. You can really see it as being divided up into 3 streams, a life sciences stream, earth science, and physical science. The life science one is the one that is otherwise biology that leads on to these 11 honours or moderatorship disciplines in the final years. There are fluctuating about 70 academic staff, lecturers, many of whom, as I said, you will come in contact with in the first 2 years, who are biologists, ranging from the molecular to the field biologists. Equally important, there are about another 150 staff in the biology disciplines, research staff, some of whom may participate in the teaching, technical and administrative staff who are vital to keeping the cogs of it running. There are others that you will come in contact in your first year, and they are the research students. They act as teaching assistants and demonstrators in the laboratories. And there are currently about 200 of these registered for graduate degrees, PhDs, masters, etc. in the biology disciplines. And then, I suppose, most important of all, there are about 200 sophomore students every year, final year students every year, doing one of the biology degree programs. And you'll get to meet some of these, and you'll get to find out how they progressed through the college system and got to be interested in what they're doing and where they are now. In the junior freshman year, we offer 2 modules in biology, one in the first semester, one in the second semester. The first semester module is molecular and cellular biology. It's a 10-credit module. And it's contributed to by biochemists, microbiologists, geneticists, etc. It's taken by everybody who's doing biology, everybody who intends to go on in the areas of biology, but it's also taken by a lot of others, some medical students, pharmacy students, and even students who are intending to specialize in chemistry may take this molecular and cellular biology module. In the second semester, we follow on with 1102, which is more the evolution, biodiversity, and environmental biology. Both of them 10 credits long. And just to put it in context here, the moderatorships that are available, as I said, 11 of the moderatorships are essentially biology moderatorships. Of them, all 11 require or strongly recommend that you take Biology 1101 and indeed 7 of them, I should say, either recommend or insist that you take Biology 1, 102. Most students going into biology take both biology modules. As you can see as well, a lot of the biology disciplines require chemistry, and all but 2 of them require that you take at least some mathematics. Entry into the senior freshman biology program, the different modules in senior freshman biology, will often depend on you having satisfactorily completed appropriate junior fresh modules. And in the senior freshman year, all of our modules are quite small, but we have a wide range of them available. We have 10 separate biology modules available, and you can mix and match and pick, even if at this stage you've decided you're not going to continue on in the area of biology. In the sophomore years, then, you pick one of the 11 biology areas. For the moment, all I want to do is welcome you, those of you who've decided you're going to do biology, welcome you to biology. And at this stage, I will pass you on to my colleague,